cruising down the road here, coming into Laurel. 1001, 1002, 1003. That's about how far I am behind the guy is 3 seconds. He's pulling over into the other lane, and I got great visibility on him in every direction that I go. Okay? I'm going to stay right behind him, 1001, 1002, 1003 seconds behind him. Okay? And we're going to go over the overpass here and check to see if I've got visibility on him all the way. And this is where we're going. We're coming to the exit now. 1001, 1002, 1003. That's a speed check. And here we go. I'm right behind him. This is about the proper distance to be behind him is 3 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003. And I have great visibility on his tires, let alone the rest of his car. Bang, that's where the wreck occurred right there. And that's where we're at. And here we're going to go over in the other lane now. And that gives you an idea where we're at. We never lost visibility of where his tires were touching the ground.